Alright, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM in your desktop. Your desktop should look similar to this, or it may be a slight variation on this. First thing to notice is that I have disconnected everything and I set it on a flat surface. And to open it up, you pull up on this handle and then you lift the entire side up like this. And now you're going to notice in here the memory may be in a different location depending on which desktop you have. But if you have more than one of these modules in your PC, you're going to want to remove all of them. What you can do is these clips, you pull out on them away from the memory chip and then just lift it out just like that. And then if you only had one, you're going to put this new one in that same spot. If you have two, either place it, depending on the orientation, place it in the top or the leftmost slot. So we'll go ahead and open this. Remove that, and you're going to notice it has a notch on this. And if you look at the slot that it's going in, that notch is going to be further to one side than the other. So make sure you set it in there correctly. Then you're going to place that in here and just push down. And the clips will automatically clip in on that to secure it. Then you take your side, kind of put this side down first, and then slowly push it down until it reconnects. Then you can hook everything back up and you're all set.